Okay, 15th of January, Rudy here. Welcome to the Daily Ninja Show. We go through shares, ETFs on the ASX and US. We start off with the tank, the MVR ETF, full of our big miners on the ASX. So he was up 0.4, led by a big day from BHP. So the VAS had an up day. XFJ still struggling there. CBA still hanging on to that support line there. ATEX still trying to eke out a bottom. We'll take a look because there's some of them in there that are looking ready and some of them are looking ready to cut. So S&P 500, pretty dull. Nasdaq, pretty dull. Right, so we got the tank over the Nasdaq. So if you're in the tank, you're doing better than Nasdaq. Okay, the Dixie, the US dollar, which is crap apparently according to everyone. Well, that still doesn't look bearish yet. So what's the Aussie dollar doing? So we're at the top of the range, the Aussie dollar. So it's going to hard to see what's going to make it jump up a lot. Gold. Okay, so we're still sitting above this now support line. So as long as it stays above there, then all good. So same with Aussie dollar gold. Our gold index was just off 0.5%. So getting a bit of what's gold going to do. The miners ETF was off a bit. Same with GDX. And Newmont on the ASX. And then we have so GDXJ. That's in the US. In terms of our local lads that eked out a decent gain, we had KCN, CYL, the big fella Northern Star actually got over 1%, and Emerald, they all finished above 1%. Then we had TOC, the Papua New Guinea man, and this LNQ's getting a giddy up, and Felix, it's looking nice still. Okay, copper. Okay, so a bit of stalling at the highs at the moment, so maybe a little bit of a come back for a bit and build another base. The wire ETF, it just needs to stall for a bit, really. That's what you want. In terms of our local boys, BHP he's a bit of a sprinter these days. It'd be hard to who knows, but yeah, I wouldn't be buying it at this level. Rio, so it's still got that merger, whole acquisition. Are they going to do it? Aren't they going to do it? Thing hanging over their head. Sandfire, Capstone, DVP. So they've all had. Also, DVP is testing all-time highs now. CopJ, that's a ripper. It's led by this guy, Taseko. What a chart. terms of our local lads that had a gain, not much. AR1, AIS had a little bit, not much. PSC, CY5, KGL. So there's a bit of, not a lot of action today. Uranium. So the uranium spot price just poking its head above there. So the URNM, that's all-time highs. Kamiko, Kaza, what a ripper. He's off. Even the spot, it's meant to be tracking that spot price. People think the spot's going to go up. So URNJ, so that's led by this guy UEC. Our local lads aren't doing very much. So Palladium's just basically been sitting there for a couple of weeks. REMX over in America. So Linus, what's he doing? He's working out what to do here. Maybe just chill for a little bit. MP Materials looks strong. And Luke is chilling. In terms of little specs, ATR poked his head up. And VTM. Interesting, nice spacing pattern there. Okay. Alright, Lithium. So lithium price up, Lit P up. So Pilbara, Gangfeng, IGO, Liontown, ELV. Trend is up, but again, not much action in the what's this guy got 8%, EMH. Oh, this is the European one. All right. Oil. So apparently America's not going to bomb Iran anymore. They're not going to hang somebody, or so that's an ugly candle there. But we haven't finished the week yet. So Woodside, it's held up pretty well. Karoon, they're all just sitting under that. What is it, Stowe? And Beach got a bit of a walloping today, but still above support. Okay, so silver hit that, I guess an interim target. So time, we'll see what happens. Obviously the long-term story's still intact, but it's probably good to just have a breather, have a pullback, and build a base. That would be healthy. So it'll be interesting to see what SilJ does tonight. SLVP, Set M. That's still, they've got a bit of uranium in them. So zinc price, lead, you got a weekly chart for. So they're looking good. So ETP mag was off a bit today. XMET's gonna have a breather if the silver boys do. South 32 had a ripper of a day, up 4%. Jeez. Now, I can't say much for our local lads. They all got a walloping. Pole, BHM, My Kitchen Rules, a few shooting stars and all these. BML, BMC, the crowd favourites, say USL, SS1. So they're all hanging up there. Alright, so tech. Okay, so just a few ETFs, the AINF, the infrastructure one, Semi, Robo, DTech, and ATech. Different type of chart pattern. Alright, so if we look at the big boys under there, you can see, so like computer share still looks good to go. PME, I'd be, I'm removing the buy. I'd be out. Tech still hanging in there. Zero, he's just hanging in there. Car sales still hanging in there, so they've still got a lot of work to do. REA, that looks pretty good. T&E, I never gave a buy to. That looks pretty sick. Same with Seek. Robots don't go for jobs. 360, I'd be cutting now. Because I bought it there. So I'd be. He's out. That's very ugly. And Aristocrats just hanging in there. Alright. Healthcare. Okay, so a few of the ETFs. So IXJ. It's the Global 200. Drug. That's the 100 companies. The other one was 1200. Health is still hanging in there. This is the value-based ETF. And Cure, the biotechs. That looks pretty good. In terms of underlying stocks, so ResMed's giddy up. SHG still looking alright. Sonic starting to get a go. Star Farmers still hanging in there. TLX crowd favourite, that looks pretty sick still. Cov's looking good. VLS looking good. And RHY, apparently they came up with a test that you don't have to do the pre-test. Anyway, nice breakout there. All right, yeah. Well, so yesterday we got 25% likes. So thank you. Let's see how we go today. If you appreciated that, it wasn't that exciting, but can only do what the market's doing. It's just my opinion, not financial advice. Till tomorrow. See ya.